Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to a new tutorial, and today we're gonna learn something new about also speeding up our workflow. So have you ever encountered this problem where you're like editing, but your computer is very lag, and maybe you're editing like 4K footage direct. So today we're gonna learn how to create something called proxy. Proxy is basically it generates a smaller size version of your original footage, which makes editing workflow much smoother and fast. So first of all, let's import the data that we want to use. So let's say I'll select this France folder. First of all, before we generate the proxy, we come to the right bottom corner and let's see where the proxy will be saved. So here, project setting, master setting, we scroll down, then here you can see working folders and proxy generation location. So right now, I think let's make a proxy folder. Just make a proxy folder here. I think usually it has a default place in the user videos folder. So now I have created a proxy media folder, put select folder. So later on, basically a proxy will be generated there. And here we come up here. You can choose some settings for your proxy media, like the resolution and the format. All right. So it could be half, quarter, 1/8. It's your choice. And the format, you could also choose from here. Okay, so let's press save. After I have set my folder, I come to the edit page and I come to, let's say Sony is convert to a proxy. So Control A, right click, and here you will see generate proxy media. So we will do that, click, and now the proxy media is generated. So I'm just gonna leave the recording on and it will generate proxy media for a while. And as you can see now, basically our media is in proxy. You can see the little pink PXY sign. Usually you can, if you don't want it anymore, you can come to the top playback, proxy handling, and you can disable proxies. Then basically the proxy sign is gone. So you know that you're not editing on proxy anymore. If suddenly you're like, oh, why is my computer lagging? And same thing, come to playback, proxy handling, prefer proxies, turn on. So I just want to show you, we created a proxy media folder here. So everything of this generated clips should be in this folder. And boom, voila, 493 MB. The original one was, this is the proxy media folder. The file is 493 MB. This was the original 640 MB. So I think the difference is not as much, but maybe just now when I show you guys, you can change the format or the resolution. I should have perhaps put the resolution less instead of doing the auto option. But yeah, that's essentially how you make a proxy media for your big files. And hopefully now you can edit much smoothly and faster. If you learned something, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.